Quick note number 2. What is a macrovirus? A macrovirus can infect Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Access, or any similar application by automatically performing a sequence of actions after triggering an application. Most macroviruses are written using the macro language VBA. It stands for Visual Basic for Applications. This virus can infect templates or convert infected documents into template files while maintaining their appearance of common document files. Macroviruses are considered to be less harmful compared to the mainstream viruses out there. This virus can usually spread through email attachments. So if you're interested to know about email viruses and how they spread, check out the previous video. It's a known fact that pure data files does not allow the viruses to spread. But in some cases, the average user, due to the extensive macro languages used in some programs, easily overlooks the line between a data file and an executable file. In most cases, just to make things easy for the user, the line between a data file and a program starts to blur only when the default macros are set to run. The default macros are set to run automatically every time the data file is loaded. Virus writers can exploit universal programs with the macro capability. Windows help files can also contain the macro code. So I would say there are countless possibilities for an attacker to do a lot of harm using macro viruses. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.